Hi folks, we're going to take a look at number 5 from the Unit 6 assignment. So here they give us a quadratic expression that represents the area of a rectangle, and they want us to find expressions for the dimensions and then find the dimensions and area when x is equal to 3 centimeters. So first of all, we have to determine what are the dimensions that define a rectangle, and of course we know that that's length and width. Okay, so we know that area is given by the length of the rectangle times the width of the rectangle. So that gives us a way to proceed in this question here. So what we want to do is we want to take that area, 8x squared plus 18x plus 7. Sorry about that. And write it as the product of two expressions. Okay, so in other words, we're going to try to factor it. So here there's no common factors, so let's start making a little chart. So for 8, I'll use 2 and 4 to start. And for 7, well, I have no choice, I have to use 1 and 7. All right, so let's test this set of products. So here 2 and 28 is not going to get me to 18, so let's try the other one. So 2 times 7 is 14, and 4 times 1 is 4. So with 14 and 4, I will be able to get to 18. So that's pretty good on my second shot. So let's write out our factorization. So here we've got 2x and 4x, and here the 2 has to multiply the 7, so that's going to go here, and then the 4 has to multiply the 1, so that's going to go there. And since everything's positive, it's just going to be plus and plus. Okay, so what we've managed to do is to write the area as the product of two expressions. So that means this one can represent the length and that one can represent the width. You could also do it the other way around, wouldn't make a difference. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use for my length 2x plus 1, and for my width 4x plus 7. Okay, and so we've solved part A. So now for part B, they actually want specifics here. They tell us that x is equal to 3. So all I have to do is take this and replace it into my expressions here. So L is going to be equal to 2 times 3 plus 1. So that's 6 plus 1 is 7 centimeters. And the width is going to be equal to 4 times 3 plus 7. So that's going to be 12 plus 7. That's 19 centimeters. Okay, now to find the area, I just have to multiply the 2. 7 times 19. Okay. I know I really shouldn't, but I'm going to use my calculator just to make sure I don't make any silly mistakes. 7 times 19, and that's equal to 133 centimeters squared. And if I want to check my answer, I could also replace x equals 3 into the original expression for the area. Should give me the exact same answer. So let's test that just as a little check here. So we have 8 times 3 squared plus 18 times 3 plus 7, and let's see what that gives us here. All right, so 8 times 9 plus 18 times 3 plus 7, and that gives us 133. Okay, exactly what we got before. All right, so just to recap here, what I did is I was given the expression for the area of a rectangle, but I wanted to relate it to the expression for the area that involved the dimensions, which are the length and width. If it was, say, the circumference or area of a circle, I'd try to relate it so that I'd have an expression representing the radius. Okay, that's it for this one.